Today, I'm going to show you how to wrap your hands and throw 4 basic punches in typical warm-up that I do for a boxing routine. So you start with a wrap, typical hand wrap, make sure it's rolled up, loop side out. The point of wrapping is not for knuckle padding, it is to support your wrist and to make sure that your fist stays tight during a fight or bag work. So to start, put it on the outside of your thumb and you start by going 3 times around your wrist. 1, 2, and 3. Next, come around, and on the 4th time, now you're going around your palm. 1, 2, and 3. You don't want it too tight, but you want to make sure it stays in place. Next, this is what they call the 3 X's. Go underneath your thumb, and you start by going in between your pinky and your ring finger. Go above your thumb again, come around, and now you're going in between your ring and your middle finger. That's X number 2. Same thing. Last X. Going there. Come around. Next, you want to reverse the wraps to really make sure that it locks in place. So instead of going around, you're going around your thumb this way. And now this is where you pad your knuckles. 1, 2, and 3. Now that you have your palm, your wrist, your fingers, and your knuckles all padded, now this is what you can just waste the wrap and do wherever you need the padding. I like it around my wrist. Finish it off like so. And tie it off. The first of the 4 basic punches is the jab. This is the most important and most commonly used punch. To start, you want to make sure that your back foot is a little bit in front of your front foot. When you have your hands up, you want to make sure you're protecting your face. Your chin is tucked, your shoulders are high, you're about arm's length away from your opponent or bag. Every punch that you throw should come back exactly as fast as how fast you threw it. So for the jab, elbow in, go out and back. Go out and back. Full speed looks like this. The next punch I'm going to show you is called a cross. Same rules apply when you're throwing this punch as the jab. Your hands stay up, your chin stays tucked, and your shoulders are high. Notice on my back foot when you throw it, it pivots. That's where a lot of your power comes from. This is a more powerful punch. Full speed looks like this. The next punch I'm going to show you is called a hook. With this one, this is a more close to the bag punch. Same rules apply. Your hands are high, your chin is tucked, and when you throw this, your back foot also pivots. Full speed looks like this. The last punch I'm going to show you is an uppercut. It's important with this punch to make sure that your palm is facing up. This is also a close quarters punch. When you throw the uppercut, it's a low punch. Full speed looks like this. Now I'm going to show you a typical combo that can be used for practice or in a fight. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4. Always remember to keep protecting your face the whole time.